guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I have a Michael's haul and a thrift store haul, and then I have some things that I received from a second cousin. I think it's a second cousin. It was my mom's cousin. She had contacted me and said she had some things that were my great grandmother's. The first thing I want to show you are the things that I picked up at Michael's yesterday. One of their $2 little kiosks that was in the back of the store. It had like the mermaids and the llamas and things like that. It also had some other little things in there, but everything in there was $2, but they were on sale for $1, and then there was a 20% off sale and non-sale items. So all these things here were only 80 cents a piece, and I bought some of the llama items for a small gift for one of my cubby leaders. She is a teenager, so I wanted to get her something a little bit different than the little notepad holders that I made. If you want to see my notepad holders, I did that for like a teacher gift. I will put a link for that down below. I did that last week, I believe. But for her, I just wanted some really cute little notebook kind of things for her. So the first thing I found her was this little llama pencil pouch. And then there was this little journal that I thought I would stick this puffy sticker on the front of it. And then these are really super cute. They're llama paper clips. And then there was also this set of llama sticky notes. So I'm just going to put this together in a little gift set. Oh, and then I forgot, I got her some llama washi tape too. So I just thought they were really cute. I tried to find some like pencils or pens to go with this, but they didn't have any that went with it. So anyway, I think that will make a cute little gift goodie bag. And then I found some things for my junk journals and just other paper crafting. These were also 80 cents as well by the time we got the 20% off the sale price. Here are these really cute little bird paper clips and the little coffee cup paper clips. And then I got 2 sets of these key charms, and they're 2 different sets. But I just thought those would go great on a junk journal charm on the tassel on the outside. So really cute. And then I went to the thrift store and found some things for junk journaling. So when I do my baking themed or cooking themed junk journal, I found 2 rolls of this ribbon that says Bon Appetit on it. And then this package of tags, it has like baking supplies and it just says for you, but I thought they would be good to put in like little tuck spots. And then I found this World Trivia game, old card game set. I was hoping there would be pictures on the cards, but they aren't. It's just, you know, there's like a little world thing in the background, but it's just little travel. But it'll still be fine to stick in my travel themed junk journals. And then I found this old set of playing cards, and they're just plain, so they will be nice for, you know, altering to put in a junk journal. I found 4 little golden books. A couple of them are like from the 60s, and the other are from the 1980s or 1970s. Here's this Raggedy Ann. If you've seen some of my other, like probably a few months ago, I showed you some other Raggedy Ann things that I picked up because I want to do a Raggedy Ann journal. I used to, as a kid, my sister and I shared a bedroom, and we had a Raggedy Ann themed bedroom, and we had the sheets, and my mom made curtains and all that, and so I just loved Raggedy Ann. My grandmother had made us each a Raggedy Ann doll, so I have that somewhere. I think it's stored away, but so anyway, I love seeing Raggedy Ann stuff, so I picked that up. Here's The Tale of Peter Rabbit. It's really cute. This was one of the newer, this was from 1970. I just thought this would be great for at Easter time next year. Here's the Christmas Donkey. So this is really cute too. This will be cute for Christmas time. A more Christian themed Christmas. And then I found the Jungle Book, and this was from 1967. I think it's a later print. It doesn't say it's a later print, but it looks awfully nice. It's not, unless it was just well kept, but I think maybe it's just a later print. And then I found this book. It's called The First Poems of Childhood. And this, let's see, it's from 1967. So I just thought it had great illustrations. Be nice for like baby themed and, you know, other child themed junk journals. Super cute. And then my aunt, or my second cousin, contacted me and said she had some things from my great-great-grandmother, and they are postcards that she wrote, and these are from Indiana and Michigan because my family is all from that area. So here's one that she wrote, and some of it I can read and some of it I can't, but they're from 1910, 1911. Here's one here of her school. And I'm thinking about scanning these in and making digital files of them. So if that's something you're interested in, let me know. Here's a letter. This was from 1915. And look how tiny that envelope is. It's like the smallest envelope ever. And it's funny because these are, when they're addressed, it was back in the time where you didn't have numbers or anything. You just put the person's name and the city. See, like here, just went to Abbeville, Indiana. And this one says Wakarusa, Indiana. They didn't have any addresses at that time. But look at those. Aren't those great? This is Elkhart, and this is actually where I grew up in junior high and high school is Elkhart, Indiana. That's from 1909. That one. This was pretty cool. This was in Indiana too, the train station. Chicago. I don't know where that's from. Here's one from Hamilton, Indiana. And then, well, this is just an old envelope that was addressed. Looks like a little kid wrote it. That was from 1908, it says. To Avila. Avila, okay. I've never heard of that city. And then here's another postcard. It's just the part of the envelope. So yeah, that was, when she contacted me, she's like, I have a bunch of old things. And I was like, yes, send them to me. So I think they're amazing. I'm just really, since I've started junk journaling, I really like all this old vintage. This is like antique almost. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe. And I will see you next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.